At first, it looked like Lore was going to pull over, but then the motorcycle quickly sped away down Oak Avenue. This, however, turned out to be the worst decision in his life.
I am not pursuing. We just took off. Oh, 1050, 1050. Send ambulance right away.
305 location.
Going south and Donkey. He's not moving.
As the officer was notifying dispatch, he was ending the pursuit. Lore's motorcycle collided with a vehicle at the intersection of Domke Street. Unfortunately, Lore was thrown from the motorcycle in the crash and was later pronounced dead at the scene.